Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix missing Google Play Store on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let's start. So you can see my Google Play Store is missing. I can't find that. Okay, I can't find that. Let me do a search for it. Google Play Store. Okay, I can't find that. So to fix it or bring it back, just open your settings app and then scroll down to apps and then tap on it and then tap on disabled apps. So currently Google Play Store is disabled, so we have to enable it. Okay, so to enable it, just tap on it and then tap on enable this button. Okay, so let me tap on this button. Now you can see this app is now enabled. And now if I find the Google Play Store app, you can see here is that. So it's now fixed, and if you want it to move it to your home screen, just tap and hold on it and then drag it to your home screen where you want. So I want it over here. After that, just lift up your finger. Let me do that. You can see it's now placed over here. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.